Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is day 125 of my Gate CS prep journey. I hope everyone is doing fine. I hope everyone is doing great. And I hope everyone has completed their task regarding studies or studying right now. So today I've studied around three hours. Like I started my day not little early, but yeah, 7:30ish you can say. Then the first thing I did was revision of C, because C is completed for me and CN also is completed for me. I've decided that I'll be revising, so I've revised two lectures which was like really initial part of C, and it was so satisfactory for me because I always wanted to, like, not wanted, of course revision is very crucial part of every subject we studied. I think without doing revision, it's I think there is no meaning to just keep watching lectures. So I have started today C revision, and I felt so good after revising it, because it was my first priority of the, like, as soon as I get up I need to finish two or three lectures to revise. And once I revised that, then I did my routine task, and then I had to visit my mother, so I went to hospital along with my grandmother and Masi, I mean aunt. And I was there till 8 in the evening with them. Like, I had to buy medicines for mother, I had to check up on her, I had to see the reports, then I had to attend her, I had to, like, these like women from my family had to feed her. Then she needed, we shifted to her, like, from ICU to different room. Then I have, like, we need to attend her staff from office who visited her today to see her. So I was buying medicines also. I was doing, like, going here and there, doing everything. So I went at 12 or 11 or something in the morning, and then I came back at 8. I had my dinner. So whatever little bit of study I did, it was in the, like, morning only, which was of like 2.5 hours. I studied half an hour right now, but honestly I am not able to study more or sit more, because even if I studied, it won't be anything efficient. So it was like, and I always believe that if your body is not in, like, fresh, or if it is really tired, your mind won't work. So these kind of studies are very useless. You can't just sit for the sake of number of hours. We need to, record it. That's not point. Like, regarding CD compiler design, I have to write notes, and I'm not at all in the mood, not in mood, and my body is not supporting me to write the notes. At this point I'm so dead physically, so I thought I won't study now. Like, I really need rest. And yeah, when my body is in, like, full, what do you call, recover mode, as soon as I get up in the morning, first thing I'll be doing revision of C and CN also. That's my major and important task of the day. After that only I will begin the study of, like, watching lectures and making notes. And I think, yeah, that was my, like, I wanted to share that this adds at start only, because I'm really tired, because of these all tasks I had to do. So regarding my mother's update, health update, she's doing fine. I mean, she's not able to get up and sit, but we shifted her from ICU to, like, normal room. I mean, there will be 2 to 3 days more to be admitted until she is able to get up properly. So that's the update. But yeah, uh, I talked with her, I talked with my family. It was like, it was, I think, much needed. Also, I feel for me, because what happens, like, I am. Like, we are too isolated when we are studying, a lot of things going in your head. And, like, I personally don't socialize at all, because there is no reason to socialize. I'm at my hometown, there are no friends, there are no colleagues. And even after you leave your job, like, I left my job in December. So, when you work, like, it has been my experience, you talk with people regarding work, you attend meetings, there also you talk with people. So that social connect would be there. And if you, especially if when you're in office, You will meet people, you will talk, but like this preparation, everyone say this competitive exam preparation, it's so, you need to isolate. You can't just have everything and study. That doesn't happen. You have to sacrifice a lot of things. And yeah, I feel mostly it happens when you isolate yourself, but because of this reason I had to talk to people, meet them. So I feel good, honestly speaking. But yeah, again, like we have to fight every day regarding studies, like by sitting, there should not be no 0 day. Like 0 day should not be there. That means there should not be day where you have not studied at all, or you have not studied 1 hour at least. That would be the worst day, and that has been not till now. I have studied 3 hours. I know this is very very less because it's very less for me. Like I'm not at all satisfied, but then the reasons, everything. So I'll cover it tomorrow. And yeah, tomorrow's day will be better than this once I'm fresh. So today I started my day with revising C, 2 lectures of C. I'll tell you that whatever I have covered or revised regarding C, I'm just telling you like how I revise once. Like I can't study without writing anything on paper or practicing on paper. So what I do, like, especially I already told, I think in yesterday video, just go through theory or concept quickly, and then if there would be questions solved in lecture while then just try to solve that question on your own. If it is doable, if it is you can solve without getting back to solution, then it's fine. If not, then see solution, then solve it. So I've also followed the same approach today while doing C, what do you call C revision. So I'll just show you what I have revised today. So it's like very basic fundamental of like what is programming language. So what is C basically? What is C language? So it is one of programming language. What is C programming language? Let 2 person P1 and P2 are there and they need to communicate. To communicate, we need human language, which can be anything like Hindi, Tamil. That P1 needs to communicate with computer. How P1 will communicate, since computer doesn't understand human language, it will need some programming language. So that's the use of programming language. You can't expect machine to understand human language. So why P1 needs to be communicated with computer? Because P1 wants computer to perform some task. Kind task like adding two numbers or arranging sequence of number in increasing order or running video in computer. Suppose person wants computer to perform below task. So it will tell like take 3 number ABC from user as input and add it. Display result on screen. This is kind of step. Take 3 numbers ABC from user as input. Perform A plus B plus C. Display result on screen. Convert it into program, some programming language. This is program, like sample program. What is program? Finite sequence of steps or instructions written in some programming language like C. Each programming language has specific syntaxes. Now let's answer these 2 questions. What is C program language? One of programming language which helps to communicate with the computer. Why need C programming language? We want computer to perform some task. Whenever you write any C program in text editor, save that file using .c extension. How computer stores data, zeros and ones, means computer understand only binary code. Binary code is machine language. So this is all like compilation system. I won't go in detail because there are a lot of parts. Then this is overview of function. So function like program segment that carries out specific well-defined task. The C character set, character used in C program, uppercase A to Z, lowercase small a to z, digits, variables. What do we want from computer? Perform some task. On who, where task performed, data or variable. task sum of two numbers. For some operation to be performed by computer, two values needs to be given through program. Task average sequence of numbers in increasing order. We need to provide sequence of number through program to a computer. Where are values stored in computers? In the memory needs to be reserved using variables. Using variables, memory space can be allocated to store values. To perform task from computer, value needed to given through program. Memory is list of consecutive storage, each leaving unique address. That is memory. Memory divided into bytes. Address is uniquely identifying location of specific piece of data. Variables in C. To store values. Name that can be used to store. That is. So correct syntax to declare variable. You need to declare variable before using it. So here int x equal to 10 and return. So it's a correct syntax, but you cannot just write x equal to 10 directly. Here also x equal to 10 return and then they have declared it, which is not right. Because compiler scans code from first line to last sequentially when it sees x used but not declared through error. So that's all. I won't go further. I'll summarize tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Lot of things I'll cover. So that's all for today. Day 125 of my GATE CS prep of 3 hours of studies, and which is fine. I mean, not every day would be same. And thank you guys for showing so much support to me, to my channel, through your comments. It really helped me a lot. It really boosted my morale these days. Like these 3 days has been most difficult days for me. So thank you so much for being there. I really appreciate everyone's support to me, and I really hope you guys keep supporting to this channel and me like this same way going forward also. So yes, I'm going to study more tomorrow. So let's end this day today itself, and thank you guys for watching my channel.